welcome back to another video on my channel. Please excuse the humming noise in the background. It is the washing machine. Can't do anything about it. My mum needs to wash her clothes, so you know, it's one of those. But anyway, today I've got something really exciting to show you. I haven't looked at it properly myself yet. I have opened it, which is annoying because it was packaged much more perfect than it is right now because I've opened it. But look at this. How absolutely incredible is this? BTArtbox have very kindly sent me this Christmas gift box. Absolutely stunning. The packaging itself is beautiful. Like, I'd be happy with just the box, I'm not gonna lie. But anyway, look at this. It opens up like this, and I'm gonna show you what's inside. So we've got some very pretty red ribbon, or whatever you want to call it. I think it's ribbon. I'm gonna say it's ribbon. Definitely gonna keep the box to keep all my BTArtbox stuff in because it's beautiful. I'm just gonna pop that in here for now, just so I'm not leave it in the room, because I do bring my dog here quite a lot and she's definitely going to find little pieces of this everywhere. What was that from? Oh, that's just from the thing itself. Okay, anyway, so everything we've got in here is, we've got a card which is very sweet, a Happy Christmas card. I have already read that. And then let's have a look at everything. Let's get this out. In there as well. I just threw the card on the floor by accident. Right, anyway, let's start unpacking this and see what's in here. So first of all, we've got some press-ons. How absolutely stunning are these? Let me just shut the box. How beautiful are they? Such a gorgeous colour. I can't really get it to look the correct colour on the screen, which is really annoying, but it's beautiful. Basically, you're just gonna have to take my word for it. I've got a discount code for this brand as well, which is always in my description box of every video, not just BTArtbox videos, but I will pop it on the screen somewhere around here, probably up here. But yeah, how stunning are they? Absolutely beautiful. And they're like a lovely almond shape. You get all your instructions on the back, which is perfect. And then obviously you get all the excess nails and the glue and everything underneath in there, which is brilliant. But the main thing I love about this brand is their packaging. Like, it's absolutely beautiful. Packaging is stunning, so these would be perfect as a Christmas gift as well. Next up, we've got some more press-ons. We've got this set here. They are green with some gold foil with a nude base. Again, absolutely stunning. And you've got them on both hands, like both opposite sides, so you get the same on both hands but opposite, if that makes any sense. Again, a perfect gift. Come with everything you need, including instructions. Oh, this smells gorgeous. Definitely going to put that in my car on the way home. And then next up, we've got, what else do I want to, what do I want to do first? It's just so exciting. Now these, I'm actually really excited about these. Gloves. How amazing are those? And they come in this beautiful, beautiful packet as well. Lovely. And then next up, right, let's get through these products first quickly. So in here, we've got the Duo, which is usually, the Builder Gel and the top coat, I think. Yeah, and the top coat, because you put a layer of the Builder Gel over the X-Coat tips and then the top coat over the top, just to reinforce the strength and keep them nice and strong for you. And then in here, we've got, what have we got? We've got a gel glue, which is what you use to apply them. And then we've also got a tip primer as well. And then in here we've got one of the little mini UV LED nail lamps to obviously flash your tips. And we've got a ring in here. The washing machine's really kicking off now. I'm really sorry if you can't hear me. It's going to be very annoying, but it won't last long, I promise. Wow, this is a BTArtbox nails ring. How incredible is that? I'll just pop it on so you can see. It's got their name on it. That is absolutely amazing. I love that. And then we've got a really good nail file. I love a good nail file. And this is a 100/180 grit file. Then we've got some 3D stuff in here. Oh, they're wreaths, I think. Oh, how pretty are those? Then we've got bows. Stunning. And then we've got some more nail art in here. Let's have a look. Open this up. Oh, snowflakes. I mean, who doesn't use snowflakes at this time of year? I know I go through a ridiculous amount, and trust me, it's so much quicker to use stickers and stamps than it is to paint them all on. So that is going to come in. These are going to come in absolutely really handy. And some stars on there as well. They're really pretty. Little Merry Christmases. We've got some little Christmas trees on here. They're really cute. Yeah, definitely going to get use out of those. And then we've got some, obviously we've got to get some X-Coat tips. So we've got these ones, which are the pink. How beautiful are those? They're such a stunning colour. They're like a, oh, sorry, just knocked my phone. Like a nude pink tip. Just absolutely stunning. I'll open them up and show you them like hovering above one of my nails, just for you to see the sort of length that they are. Let me just try and get in. That washing machine is really annoying. Really looking forward to working at my house where I don't have a washing machine in my nail room. So let me just quickly show you these. Obviously I've got nails on, you're just going to have to ignore that, but that's the length that they are. How gorgeous does that look? Obviously without the black underneath, but beautiful, beautiful length and shape. Oh, these nails just make life so much easier, especially when doing your own nails. Like, they're so easy to apply on yourself. Oh my gosh, I didn't even realise they're all different colours. I'm so glad I opened them now, so that would have been really annoying. So at the bottom we've got these beautiful browns. Oh my gosh, I love these. And then we've got, oh, you can do a what's it with them, a gradient. They're gorgeous. Absolutely love them all. Let's open them all up so you can see them all. This brown is stunning. Absolutely love the brown. Very autumnal. So these are really great for people that like a bit of nail art, like a French, but they don't want anything too in your face. Look at all those colours, aren't they stunning? I'm really glad I opened them now. Which way round did I get these out? That's the question. There. So yeah, they're really stunning. I'm really happy with those. Just wasn't expecting that. I mean, I think it was pretty clear that I wasn't expecting that, because I went a bit off on one for a moment there, but I was just so happy. What a nice surprise that they're all different colours underneath. I've just got to get them back in the packaging. I'm really sorry if my voice sounds a bit hoarse as well, by the way. It's just nothing new at this point. I'm actually more concerned with myself when I'm not unwell than when I am these days, because it's that often. But anyway, so we've got those in there. And then we've got these, which are cat's eye ones. I have got some of the cat's eye ones, but they're press-ons, not X-Coat tips. So I'm really glad to have some of these. They are absolutely beautiful. And they are short, I'm going to say short almond, rounded, that sort of style. Let's get them out and have a look at the length of them on. I did just have to briefly, not briefly, for an hour and a half, have to interrupt myself because my client arrived, and obviously can't really get her to sit and wait for me to finish filming a video. So I just wanted to quickly show you what the last thing was that came in the box, because I did nearly finish showing you everything that was in here anyway. But these are the last thing. These are, obviously, as you can see, square pink and white French nails. They are absolutely beautiful, like all of their nails are. But yeah, just absolutely stunning. Really, really love them. So everything you get in here is just brilliant. What a beautiful, beautiful box. Look at this. Oh, it's so lovely to look at as well. Like the box itself and the way that it opens and stuff is just beautiful. It's so stunning. And like I said, I'm definitely going to use this box to keep my my products in, because it's just stunning. They fit in that way, so I'll be able to, I might even just stack them all up like that actually. Let's get them. And pop them all in, because they look so much neater in here than the way that I already store them. Let's just move some stuff out of the way. Pop them in. Oh, that one is longer actually. I don't think that's going to fit. Is that one shorter? Yes. Will that fit that way? This is like a jigsaw puzzle. Obviously I can't have them too like high here, because those I've got to shut. I've got more of these than I really thought. I don't think I am going to be able to keep them all in here, but at least I've got space for majority, which is obviously very handy. So look at that for storage. Let's just see if it shuts properly. fluff everywhere. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful fit. That is so, so satisfying. So this is my BTArtbox storage box now. How perfect. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I have got a link to the website that's in the description box. And I do have a discount code, which will have been on the screen this entire time, hopefully, if I remember. If it isn't, it'll definitely be in the description box. And I've got to go because I've got another client coming. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed unboxing this with me. And I'll be back soon with another one. Bye.